What's going on, everybody? Today I'm going to show you how to install a Thule roof box on factory crossbars. The first thing you'll want to do is make sure the crossbars are spaced out adequately to accommodate the box. This is what it looks like on our Toyota Sienna. These feet and hooks on the bottom are what grab onto the crossbar, and as you can see, they can slide up and down to accommodate the spacing of the crossbar. In order to attach it to the vehicle and the crossbars, you'll first want to place it on the vehicle. You want to have those feet spaced out exactly like the crossbars. And you want to have those little fingers of the feet go around the crossbars. If you need to slide the feet front or back to get them spaced perfectly, now is the time to do it. Next, you want to make sure that your tailgate doesn't interfere with the back of the box. So open up the tailgate and adjust the box forward or back accordingly. Then from the front of the vehicle, you want to make sure that the box is centered left to right. Another thing you want to look out for is if your vehicle has a shark fin antenna, you want to make sure it doesn't interfere with the box. Next, insert the key, unlock the box, and open it. On the inside of the box, you'll see the 4 tops of the feet, and each one has a tightening knob on it. Next thing you want to do is tighten down these knobs, the 2 on the side closest to you first, and make sure they're lined up perfectly with that crossbar. Once you're done tightening the 2 knobs on the side closest to you, you then want to close and lock the box. Now on the other side of the vehicle, you want to unlock and open this side. If your box only has 1 lock on it, it'll only open from one side, so you have to tighten down all 4 feet on that one side. In my case, this box opens both ways, so I can tighten those 2 from that side, and then these 2 on this side. So once again, make sure that knob is centered over the crossbar, and then tighten it down. You want to tighten these down very snugly, about as much as you would if you wanted to reseal a jar. Then same thing with the knob in the rear. Then after you double check all the feet are tight, you can then close the box or you can load it up and be on your way. And that's it. Thank you so much for watching. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. Also check out all my other vehicle maintenance videos if you're interested. And as always, we'll see you in the next one.